Hello, all Claudionites. Thank you so much for all your love and support for all these years. And that is exactly what propels us to, bring you more and more new features and advanced processes to help your sales team do better. Today, we are very happy to announce that Cloudera's sequence module has now been upgraded into Cloudera Cadence. And there are very cool things that you can do with Cadence now. And in this short video, I'm going to introduce you to quickly what all things you can do on a very high level. And then in subsequent videos, we will cover all those steps in detail so that you can start running your cadences very smoothly in the system. One of the predominant differences basically in the cadence, if you go here, this is where you can see cadences, and here where you can see manage. The one of the predominant things that we've changed in cadence basically is your current use case is where you're designing a sequence once, and whenever you have to add contacts which are new every day, you also have to create new sequences. While the contacts are new every time, the sequences actually do not change that much. So what we've done is basically we've created something called as constant cadence. This constant cadence actually allows you to create cadence only once, but it will always remain active as long as you keep it active. So you can create a cadence once and you can just keep on adding more and more contacts into the same cadence so that you can reach out to more contacts with the same cadence instead of having to create every time a new cadence for new contacts. That is one of the predominant differences in the cadence that we have created right now. So if you see here, you can just select the contacts whichever you want. Whichever contacts you want, you can just go ahead and select them from your contacts radar or search radar. Select them directly and add them into a cadence, and they will directly get added into a cadence instead of adding them into a list earlier. You can still create lists and push their list into the cadence, but you now have the facility to directly add contacts inside the cadence. So this is one of the predominant difference that we've created for the cadence where you can directly add contacts into them. The second main difference here is now you have a lot more granular access to all the contacts in the cadence and the emails that are being sent. So here, if you see, you have an on and off button next to the cadence. You can see the name of the cadence, the settings page. Here you will see all the contacts in the cadence, all the emails that are being already scheduled to be sent here, and the report and analytics part as well. And in the statistics, you will see contact level statistics, which will show you how many contacts are actually active in a cadence, how many are paused in a cadence, how many are actually interested in your cadence already, so you can take them off automatically, how many have bounced, and how many are actually finished in this cadence. And along with that, you'll also see email level statistics, which will tell you how many emails have been sent, scheduled, read, ready, and replied, and link, and so on. So if you see, we have given two levels of high level statistics here, contact level and cadence level. So this will actually help you in terms of figuring out, which contacts to be sent to which ones. Constantly, every day, if you create a sequence or a cadence, you can just keep on adding contacts into without worrying about having to create more and more cadences every single day, and you will get a lot more analytics, lot more granularity, better access to the entire system, which will make your life a lot more easier. So let us take a deep dive into all of these features and see how to create a cadence and how to manage the cadence in the further videos. Thank you.